How to fix Cash App, please try again later. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 fixes. So the first one is, if you are already logged in, you wanna click on your profile, you wanna scroll all the way down, you wanna sign out and then sign back in. So that was the first fix if you get this error message after you are logged in. Now the second fix, and this is actually from the official Cash App support, is doing this if you are on iOS. So you want to go to your App Store or the home screen, tap on user profile, go to updates, go to the update section and update to the latest version of Cash App. Then what you have to do is go to settings, search for Cash App. You have to click on advanced, toggle erase app data on next launch, and then you have to open up Cash App and it should quickly close after that, and then you got to reopen Cash App. So that was the second fix by the official Cash App support. And the last fix is simply uninstalling and reinstalling the app itself. So you just got to go to the App Store, uninstall Cash App and then install it back. You would just want to install it back. So that's it. Those are 3 fixes. Hope one of those works for you. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.